Experiencing no sound on your Klipsch Cinema 800? The most common culprits are HDMI ARC eARC issues and incorrect input source selection. First, ensure your HDMI cable is 4K HDCP 2.2 compliant and firmly connected to the HDMI ARC port on both your soundbar and TV. Enable ARCeARC in your TV's settings menu. This is crucial. If using eARC, verify your TV supports it, as it's necessary for high bitrate audio like Dolby Atmos. Next, cycle through the soundbar's inputs using the remote or app to confirm the correct source is selected. The LED indicator will show the active input. Auto detection can fail, so manual selection is often needed. Finally, check for firmware updates via the Klipsch app or website, as outdated software causes compatibility issues. Many HDMI issues stem from cable defects or EDID handshake errors. Ensure your cable is certified. If HDMI and input source checks don't resolve the issue, try a reset. Power off the soundbar for 30 seconds, then hold the power button on the remote for 5 seconds while plugging it back in. For a full factory reset, press and hold the volume down and input buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Resets fix software bugs and corrupted settings. Also, try restarting your TV in conjunction with the soundbar reset. If problems persist, especially with newer TVs like Samsung QLEDs, ensure your TV firmware is up to date to avoid compatibility conflicts. A common fix involves updating to the latest Klipsch firmware, such as version 2.4.1, and enabling eARC in the TV settings. Faulty hardware affects less than 5% of units. If issues persist, contact Klipsch support.